My name is JJ Kingery. I'm Director of Marketing for Richmond American Homes of Nevada. I've been with the company nearly 17 years, and it's been a wonderful experience. Since I've been with the company for a long time, I've really grown to appreciate the people and the product, and I've had a lot of faith in it. And when the time came that I said, hey, I need a new home for my needs, I wasn't going to look anywhere else. My parents lived in Missouri, and I'm an only child, and they are getting up there in age. They've been together almost 65 years, an adorable little couple, and they've had their share of health issues. Fortunately, nothing too serious, but it came to the point of, you need to either remodel or move, and if you're going to move, why not just move in with me? The Darius plan, part of our modern living collection, has its own built-in guest suite. Some places would call that a mother-in-law's quarter. We like the term guest suite, and it works perfectly for my parents and me. They have a space with a living area, with a wet bar and a small refrigerator, their own bedroom, their own bathroom. So they've got their space for drinking coffee. They can go to bed early if I'm up late. And we still meet together, have big meals in the kitchen, we'll watch movies, and then they can retire when they're ready to go to bed. They can go out to the backyard with me. The home also has its own separate entrance, so they can go out to the driveway. They could go out to the backyard without disturbing me. I really enjoyed going to the home gallery. I visit the home gallery every day. I know the designers, and it was still like a kid in a candy store. I had an idea of what I wanted, and yet I could go in, I was touching and feeling and putting things together and seeing how they worked. And I did change my mind on what I wanted, but I loved the outcome. I would definitely tell anybody looking for a new home, do your research and plan. Walk the model homes. Think about the things that are important to you, and especially relative to your budget. When you're picking out your color schemes and stuff. There are things that are super important, like I had my bucket list walk-in shower, so I made sacrifices elsewhere and said, you know what, I don't need this item, but I've got the important ones for me here, and it makes for a much happier experience. I mean, it's your dream home, regardless if it's your first home or your last home or somewhere in between, moving up, moving down. It doesn't matter. Plan ahead and make sure you know exactly what you want in there.